Academia. Academia. Meaning: the world of higher education and research. She has spent her entire career in the academic community. Her academic achievements earned her a scholarship to the prestigious university. Her academic achievements earned her a scholarship to the prestigious university. Related words: professor, education, research, scholarship, university, classroom. Classroom. Meaning: a room in which teaching and learning take place. The teacher used various interactive activities to make the classroom more engaging. The new school building has spacious classrooms with plenty of natural light. Related words: students, whiteboard, desk, blackboard, teacher, coursebook. Coursebook. Meaning: a book used in a course of study. I need to buy a new calculus coursebook for my math class. The coursebook provides comprehensive explanations and exercises. Related words: manual, workbook, syllabus, guidebook, textbook, curriculum. Curriculum. Meaning: a course of study. The university offers a wide range of academic curriculum. The core curriculum of the school includes math, English, and science. Related words: program, instruction, assessment, educational standards, syllabus, education. Education. Meaning: learning. Most people believe that formal education is essential to success. Many people choose to pursue higher education to further their careers. Related words: curriculum, knowledge, school, learning, teaching, kindergarten. Kindergarten. Meaning: a school or class that prepares children for primary education. My son will attend kindergarten next year. Mrs. Johnson is a kindergarten teacher at our school. Related words: preschool, nursery, playgroup, children, teacher, learner. Learner. Meaning: a person who is learning or being taught. She is a fast learner and picked up the language in no time. He believes in being a lifelong learner and is always taking new courses. Related words: novice, apprentice, pupil, trainee, student, lesson. Lesson. Meaning: a unit of instruction or learning. He learned his lesson after failing the exam. The movie aims to teach a lesson about forgiveness. Related words: lecture, tutor, curriculum, teach, education, professor. Professor. Meaning: academic teacher. She was promoted from assistant professor to associate professor. The university invited an eminent professor to give a lecture. Related words: teacher, scholar, lecturer, academic, instructor, research, research, meaning, systematic investigation. The scientist will conduct research to test her hypothesis. The research findings showed a correlation between exercise and improved mental health. Related words: experiment, analysis, survey, data, hypothesis, study, study, meaning, research or analysis. We conducted a case study on the effects of social media on mental health. My field of study is environmental science. Related words: research, learn, analysis, education, investigation, syllabus, syllabus, meaning, an outline and summary of topics covered in a course. Make sure you read the course syllabus before the first class. The professor provided a detailed syllabus that included the weekly reading assignments and assessment dates. Related words: program, lesson plan, curriculum, outline, schedule, task, task, meaning, a piece of work to be done or undertaken. Learning a new language can be a difficult task. Washing the dishes is a simple task. Related words: duty, chore, mission, project, assignment, teacher, teacher, meaning, one who teaches or educates. The head teacher of the school announced the new policies. The student teacher was nervous about her first classroom observation. Related words: educator, student, mentor, instructor, professor, teaching, teaching, meaning, the occupation of a teacher. The school uses a student-centered teaching method to engage students in the learning process. She has years of teaching experience and is well respected in the education community. Related words: pedagogy, mentorship, education, learning, instructing, thesis, thesis, meaning, a statement or theory put forward to be discussed or proved. He submitted his research thesis to the university committee. She successfully defended her thesis in front of the academic panel. Related words: dissertation, argument, hypothesis, research, proposition, tuition, tuition, meaning, money paid for instruction or teaching. She hired a tutor for private tuition in math. The university increased the tuition fees for the upcoming academic year. Related words: education, academics, fees, scholarship, private tutoring, university, university, meaning, a high-level educational institution in which students study for degrees and academic research is done. He decided to attend university and study computer science. Her university degree in law helped her secure a job at a reputable law firm. Related words: research, academia, college, campus, degree. What is the meaning of the word teaching? The answer is C. The occupation of a teacher. What is the meaning of the word curriculum? The answer is B. A course of study. Which of the following word means a course of study? The answer is C. Curriculum. Which of the following word means a statement or theory put forward to be discussed or proved? The answer is A. Thesis. Which of the following word means a room in which teaching and learning take place? The answer is D. Classroom. What is the meaning of the word classroom? The answer is A. A room in which teaching and learning take place. What is the meaning of the word study? The answer is B. Research or analysis. What is the meaning of the word kindergarten? The answer is B. A school or class that prepares children for primary education. What is the meaning of the word task? The answer is A. A piece of work to be done or undertaken. Which of the following word means a piece of work to be done or undertaken? The answer is D. Task. Which of the following word means a high-level educational institution in which students study for degrees and academic research is done? The answer is A. University. What is the meaning of the word university? The answer is D. A high-level educational institution in which students study for degrees and academic research is done. Which of the following word means academic teacher? The answer is B. Professor. Which of the following word means a school or class that prepares children for primary education? The answer is B. Kindergarten. Which of the following word means a person who is learning or being taught? The answer is A. Learner. Which of the following word means systematic investigation? The answer is A. Research. Which of the following word means a unit of instruction or learning? The answer is B. Lesson. What is the meaning of the word professor? The answer is C. Academic teacher. Which of the following word means the occupation of a teacher? The answer is A. Teaching. Which of the following word means money paid for instruction or teaching? The answer is C. Tuition. What is the meaning of the word coursebook? The answer is A. A book used in a course of study. Which of the following word means research or analysis? The answer is C. Study. Which of the following word means a book used in a course of study? The answer is A. Coursebook. What is the meaning of the word education? The answer is C. Learning. Which of the following word means learning? The answer is B. Education. What is the meaning of the word teacher? The answer is D. One who teaches or educates. Which of the following word means an outline and summary of topics covered in a course? The answer is C. Syllabus. What is the meaning of the word tuition? The answer is A. Money paid for instruction or teaching. What is the meaning of the word learner? The answer is D. A person who is learning or being taught. What is the meaning of the word thesis? The answer is C. A statement or theory put forward to be discussed or proved. What is the meaning of the word lesson? The answer is B. A unit of instruction or learning. Which of the following word means one who teaches or educates? The answer is A. Teacher. What is the meaning of the word syllabus? The answer is C. An outline and summary of topics covered in a course. What is the meaning of the word research? The answer is B. Systematic investigation. What is the meaning of the word academia? The answer is B. The world of higher education and research. Which of the following word means the world of higher education and research? The answer is A. Academia.